We're down at our paintbrush site, which is not flowing very well this year. Comes down from a rock glacier, well, what we think is now a relic rock glacier up there. But yeah, just the tiniest little bit of flow. Too little to really take proper insect samples. But we noticed this entire boulder doesn't look right. Like the site didn't look right. We're used to this one, but this one looked really unusual. And then we noticed this big disturbance right here. And so then we looked up here and we're like, oh, well, look at that. There's a giant mud spot. So now we're trying to reconstruct where exactly did this thing come from? Look at this. This is ridiculous. This cavern where it bounced here and then bounced one more and went down there. And I'm guessing we can just keep following its path of destruction. Here's more. Now we can see bounce, bounce, bounce. So 3 bounces to where its resting spot is. Flush and kindle. The rock destruction mappers. All right, look at this. Holy cow.
I don't think this was very long ago because you can see the grass and everything. It looks pretty fresh.
Yeah. Wow.
And so it hit there, and then it jumped all of this and hit down there. You can just see the dirt that it threw against those boulders right there.
But yeah, this is massive. It's easily 20 feet tall. It's a little tunnel now. So our stream study sites evolve.